Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to deploy an app using Replit step by step. First, open your project on Replit and make sure your code is working properly. Before deploying, it is very important to test your app. If your app is working fine, then you are ready to move to the next step. Now go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Publish button. A new panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here you will see a preview of your application along with some basic settings like project name and description. At this point, you may see a message saying that you need to upgrade your plan to publish the app. This means that full deployment features are only available on a paid Replit plan. If you want to make your app live, click on the upgrade plan option and follow the instructions to upgrade your account. Once your plan is upgraded successfully, go back to your project and click on the publish button again. This time you will be able to deploy your app without any restrictions. After a few moments, Replit will finish the publishing process and your app will be live on the internet. You will be given a live URL that you can copy and share with anyone. So overall, deploying an app on Replit is simple if you follow these steps carefully and make sure your project is ready before publishing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides.